Good morning and welcome to your science lecture again. Yes, in our last lecture we have learned about the speed. So what is mean by speed? Speed is distance along the time. Distance relative to time, that is called as speed. So what is the formula for speed? Suppose speed is denoted by s, distance is denoted by d, then time is denoted by t. So speed is distance by t, and what is the unit? Meter per second or and kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. So these are the unit. And again, how to measure that speed for vehicle? So that speed is indicated by speedometer which is present in the vehicle. So this is speedometer which is present in the vehicle. So these speedometer indicate by which speed that vehicle is traveling. Okay. So speedometer indicates speed of the vehicle. And what is meant by odometer? Odometer indicate the distance traveled by the vehicle. Yes. Odometer indicate total distance traveled by that vehicle. So here is given one chart is given for the different animals. The speed is given here. So suppose we will take the example. First cheetah I will take. Cheetah, then blue fish, and so on. You can see from your textbook. So that speed is given for cheetah. It is 112 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. So for meter per second, what we have to do? This we have to convert into meter. So how we can do 112 multiplied by 1000 we have to do here. And for hour to second, 60 multiplied by 60. 60 multiplied by 60, that we have to do here. Yes, in this manner we can do the calculation for the meter per second. Suppose for blue fish, what is the speed? Suppose 40 kilometer per hour. And how we can convert it into meter per second? 40 multiplied by 1000, then it will get converted into meter. Yes, and for second और का सेकंड करने के लिए क्या होता है? आर का सेकंड करने के लिए 60 multiplied by 60, that we can cancel out, and in this manner we can take out in the form of meter per second. So here in this chart for various animals, speed is given in kilometer per hour, and we can convert it into meter per second. So that we have to understand here. So you can complete that chart. Okay. So speedometer, odometer also we have seen here. Again, the next point we will see of graph. So we will learn how the graph is plotted for the speed. How the graph is plotted for the speed. We know that speed is nothing but distance in relative time. Distance in relative time. So if we have to plot graph for the speed for any object, we have to plot this distance versus time. Distance versus time. If suppose this is y-axis, this is x-axis. We know that there are three types of graphs we are using. One is pie chart, but pie chart it will not convenient for this speed, because in percentage we can use that pie chart. So next is line graph and bar graph. So line graph is as like this line or this line. How that points are there depending on the line. So on that points the line will depend for the line graph. And how the bar graph we can plot in this manner. We know that very well. that distance also should be equal. So here one first bar, then at equal distance, suppose the second bar, suppose there third bar. So in this manner the bar graph, we know that very well, we learn all in mathematics. So that graph we have to use here. So for speed, usually we use line graph. We use line graph. So how it is plotted, that we will see here. Suppose at x-axis and it is the y-axis. Along x-axis, I will plot the points for time. Yes, time in minute. Okay, and otherwise time in hour, and it is kilometer. It is kilometer. So on y-axis, I will take here what we should take? Distance. Here distance I will take. Distance. Yes, distance in kilometer. Distance in kilometer. Time in hour. So if we are taking kilometer, then we should take here hour. If we are to take meter, then here should be second. Okay. So these are the standard units. So this is the starting point, that is origin. Then I will divide it. So one part is equal to time duration for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour. Then here 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 15 kilometer, 20 kilometer, 25. So difference in that 5 kilometer. Again 30 kilometer. So if one object is started from point 0, yes, it is traveling by bicycle. Bicycle से travel कर रहा है एक guy. Suppose this is one guy and it is traveling from by bicycle, and after 1 hour he will travel about the 10 kilometer, about the 10 kilometer. Yes, so point will be here. Point will be here. Yes, and that point I will denote as a SA. Then after 2 hours we will see it has he has traveled along the 15 kilometer. So this point I have denoted as B, matlab second point. So after 4 hours we will find that it traveled along 25 kilometer. So I have to plot the graph here. Here 15 for 15, this point. So for 25, this point I will get, this will be the as C. Yes, and after 5 hours, it will travel along the 30 kilometer as D. Okay, so that 4 points we got, and these are distance versus time. Distance versus time. For first part of traveling, how he traveled? Within 1 hour, 10 kilometer. Within 1 hour, 10 kilometer. After that, within 2 hours, 15 kilometers. So after that, within 4 hours, he traveled 25 kilometer. And within 5 hours, he traveled 30 kilometer. So in this manner we got the 4 point. Yes. So I will plot that. Here also many line graphs are from starting he was traveling. So I have to join only this point. then we will get the line. Yes, these are the points, and in this manner we got the line graph, distance versus time. This is graph for speed at different point. For this fellow, distance versus time we have to take here, and we will get these points. Yes, so for point A, what is the speed? What is the speed for point A? Distance upon time. Distance, what is the distance traveled? 10 kilometer per hour, kilometer per hour. Yes, the speed will be 10 kilometer per hour. So this is the speed for first point. For the second point, as B, how will be the speed? Distance, what is the distance? 15. 15 upon 2. So what will be the what will be the speed? 7.5. 7.5 kilometer per hour. In this manner, we can take out a speed for this third point. SC. What is the distance? 25. What is the time? That is 4. So what will be the answer? That is kilometer per hour. In this manner, for SD, what will be the speed? 30 upon 5. What will be the answer? That is the kilometer per hour will be the speed. So in this manner, we can take out the speed for at the different point for the same guy, okay. In this manner, in different manner, we can take out the points, and we can plot the graph. So situations will be different, but we can plot graph in this manner. So here are also given in our textbook that you can see, and you can try here. The distance travel by bus. बस ने जो डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया वो है पेज नंबर 154 at 8:30, 9:30, 8 o'clock, then 8:30, then and at 9 o'clock, 9:30, and at 10 o'clock. This is the time at x-axis, and along y-axis distance in kilometer. So we can plot the graph. Here we can understand from the textbook. Okay, so this was about the graph which can we plot distance versus time for the speed. So from that graph also we can take out the speed. Okay, so this was our motion chapter. So in this numericals are also present, that also we will solve in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.